So if you're looking at this course, you're probably already familiar with what Notion is to some degree. So I won't spend too long here, but basically I like to say it's Evernote meets Wikipedia meets Airtable. You get the ability to put notes in there like Evernote, kind of tie them together like Wikipedia, but then it has powerful database features, sort of like Airtable does, to build. We'll show you lots of examples of databases you can build, but roadmaps for your company, marketing things. You can store guitar tabs. You can do all kinds of things with the content in there for your personal life or your business life. And this course is going to walk through all of that stuff with you. The other piece before you get started, if you haven't already, is their pricing page. And this is kind of neat because in the last year, they've changed their pricing pretty dramatically, where before the free plan only got you 1,000 blocks. And a block is essentially a chunk of content on Notion. It could be a paragraph of text, an image, a link, that kind of stuff. Anything you push enter after that made a block out of it. And the free plan used to only give you 1,000 blocks, which sounds like a lot, but as you start adding things in, especially in databases, those 1,000 blocks go pretty quick. Now their free plan, you get unlimited pages and unlimited blocks. You can go as much as you need without paying anything ever. I certainly encourage you to pay at least the $4 a month for the personal plan just to support them. If it's a product you use a lot, you get a lot of value out of it. I like to, at least do the smallest plan to help out. But if you're not able to, I'm pleased that they're able to give you full access to everything without you having to pay if you don't want to. So go ahead and get started and then dive into the next sections on the course, and we'll go all the way through everything you can get out of Notion.